Hello everybody and welcome back to Beae tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be discussing how to assign template to a specific product or collection. So to get started, you need to head over to the drop down at the top of your page, and from there you are going to be selecting product. So once you choose a new template, once your template is loaded, what you need to do is just head over to the bottom left side of your screen where you can see settings in here. Click on that, and after that you need to go to template settings and from there to general settings. When you drop down general settings, here you'll be able to see apply for and make sure it is set to specific product. After that you need to select product to apply. Click select products button, and when you click on that you can see a library of products appear on the left side of your screen. You can choose among different products, you can select among different products, and once you're good to go you can click on select and finally close. You can see our added products could be seen in here. Similarly, to assign a template to a specific collection, you need to head over to the drop down on the top again, and from there click on products and now select collections. Now you need to create a template again, and once your template is loaded you need to head over to settings again at the bottom left side of your screen, and from there head over to template settings and make sure this template will apply for is set to specific collections. After that, select collections to apply, click on select collections option, and you can choose between these collections and click select, and now you can see it is applied to our page. So that's how you assign template to a specific product or collection, and I hope you understood the concept and liked the video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.